Research provider Charitas estimated the EUC value at risk for the 50 largest financial institutions is over $12 billion. When it comes to end user computing, spreadsheets are the new paper. End user computing is as old as Excel and Access. Users have been automating tasks or parts of workflows for years. The most common driver for the EUC application is that the end user knows most about the problem he or she is trying to solve and is often best equipped to solve that problem using the tool most readily available. These spreadsheets and databases are emailed around or saved to SharePoint sites and contain a wealth of data and tons of mistakes. All this means that even highly effective EUCs eventually outlive their purpose. There are many challenges and risks which are associated with EUCs, starting with limitation of scale, stopgap arrangement, not being fit for today's complex processes and systems, data errors, difficult to maintain. EUCs are big risk when it comes to regulatory compliance, also leading to reputational and financial losses. Let me also tell you, this is known unknown, and the only way to make sure you are mitigating risk is to replace the EUCs. Here are 5 recommendations to accelerate the EUC remediation program. First, discovery. Start with identifying and documenting EUCs. It is important to understand the EUC population in your organization by identifying types, level of complexity, risk profile, connectivity to other spreadsheets and databases. Second, identify replacement technology. There are different ways organizations are replacing EUCs. There are multiple options to choose from. You could use RPA, workflow, core application, or more popular option to replace EUCs with low-code, no-code platforms. There is no one-size-fits-all. The key is to replace EUC permanently and more sustainably. Third, prioritize. Prioritize high-risk EUC replacement in the first phase, followed by medium and low complex. This will help you focus on urgent ones first and allocate resources accordingly. Don't forget to build your experience playbook to accelerate further remediation. Fourth, build enablers and accelerators to scale and continuously replace EUCs. Leverage enablers like implementation framework, risk assessment scorecard, training, prioritizing matrix, process mining tools, and reusable components library. Fifth, governance. Effective governance to avoid the further proliferation of more Excel-based EUCs. Establish necessary reporting and monitoring processes for oversight. Develop protocol for action and responses in case of rising risk levels.